Hi. Today we see engineering graphics subject topic projection of solids. In projection of solid we see the pentagonal pyramid problem. Okay. First read the problem. A pentagonal pyramid of base side 30 mm and axis length 90 mm is freely suspended by means of a string from one of its base corners. With its axis parallel to VP, draw its projection. Okay, this is the problem. In this problem, a pentagonal pyramid of base side 30 mm. Base side, one of its pentagon side is 30 mm. The length of the pyramid is 90 mm. Length of the pyramid is 90 mm. In this problem, freely suspended. Okay, this is freely suspended by means of a string from one of its base corner. Freely suspended means one string is wound to the pyramid and freely suspended. Okay, with its axis parallel to VP, draw its projection. இப்போ இதுக்கு நம்ம ஆன்சர் பண்ணுவோம். First write the given data. Side 30 mm, height 90 mm, freely suspended. This is the given data. The next to first draw the one reference line, XY reference line. The next to mark the vertical plane, horizontal plane. The next to draw a one pentagon corner position. That's the pentagon corner position. Okay, first to draw. Okay, in this problem, first to draw a one reference line, XY reference line. The next to mark the vertical plane, horizontal plane. The next to draw a one pentagon corner position. Okay, using a template or otherwise use the pentagon draw procedure to draw the pentagon. Okay, the next to mark the letters. Okay, this is the letter A, B, C, D, E. Okay, the next to mark the center point. This is the center. The next to join the centers. Okay, each corners. You will get center point. Okay, this is the center O. Center O. Right. The next to draw the height. That height is a 90 mm. Okay, the height is a axis height. Axis height means that is a center height only 90 mm to mark it. Okay, this is extended up to reference line. Okay, each point is extended up to reference line. Then O is the center of the pentagon. Okay, so to draw a center axis line, this center axis line only 90 mm. Okay, from reference line. This reference line to 90 mm to mark it. This is the center axis line. This line length is a 90 mm from reference line. Okay, this is okay. This point is a O dash, that is an apex. Okay, the next to join the lines. Okay, this point is a O dash. This line length is a 90 mm. The next to join the lines, you will get the pyramid. The next is B and E. Next to mark the letters. Okay, this point is a A. The next this point is a B and E. This point is a C and D dash. Okay, the next to join the base also. This is the base. Okay. this is the first stage is a pentagon corner position. Then second stage is a 90 mm axis length. The next to mark the 90 mm axis line, mark letter, that is a O dash, that is apex point. The next to join the lines from base to apex. Okay, you will get the pyramid. Okay, the next in this problem, freely suspended. Okay, freely suspended means using a formula. This formula is a h by 4. H by 4. H by 4 means what is the height? Height is a 90 mm. Okay, therefore 90 divided by 4. 90 by 4 means you will get, that is a 90 by 4. 90 by 4 means that is a 22.5. This length is a 22.5. That is a G letter, G letter 22.5 mm. Okay, freely suspended. Okay, that is a length 22.5 mm from reference line. You will take center axis. Okay, center axis line 20, 21, 22, 22.5. Okay, this is the point. Okay, otherwise to take a compass also. Okay, to take a compass to measure the distance 22.5. Compass, to take a compass 22.5. Next, to cut the arc from reference line, this is the axis. To cut the 22.5 mm distance, axis. Okay, right. The next, to mark the letter, this is the G. This is the G. This distance is a 22.5. This letter G. The next, to join this point to corner side. Okay, A is a corner, so G to A to join this. G to A to join this. Okay. Then the second stage, the next third stage. Okay, third stage, to mark any point. This letter A dash. This point is a dash. Okay. The next, to draw a one vertical line, approximate length. To draw a one vertical line, approximate length. This line length is a, to measure, that is a to G. To measure a distance A to G. Then next, to cut the arc from A. From A. A to cut a arc. Okay. This point is a G. This point G. Okay. The next, okay, you will get A and G. The next, to mark the distance, mark C and D. So how to mark C and D? First, to measure from A to C. First, to measure A to C, to measure a distance A to C. To cut the arc from A. To cut a arc from A. Okay. The next, to measure, you will get a point G to measure a distance A to C. To measure a distance A to C. Okay. The next, to center a point G to cut a arc. Okay. This intersection point is a C dash D dash. This intersection point C dash D dash. This intersection point is a C dash D dash. C dash and D dash. The next, to join. This is the base of the pyramid. Okay, that's the base of the pyramid. The next, to mark a distance, measure the distance A to B. To measure a distance A to B from A. Okay, this is the B dash. This point is a B dash, E dash. Okay, the next, to measure a center axis. This is the center. To measure a distance, center axis from A. Okay, this point is a center. Okay, in this point is a center. Okay, center, that is a center axis line length is a 90 mm. Okay, to measure 90 mm distance. Okay, 90 mm. This line length is a 90 mm. This is the center axis line. Okay, this is the center axis. This line length is a 90 mm. This is the point apex, that is a O dash. Okay. The next to join other O to CD, the next to O to A. To CD, O to A. Right. Now, to extend the lines, CD downward direction, that is a BE downward direction, A downward direction. Okay, then apex, this point O dash also extend the lines downward direction. Okay, the next from first stage, each points, each corners A, B, C, D to draw a horizontal direction. Okay, to draw horizontal direction. Okay, each corners extended in horizontal direction. Okay, the next to mark the letters. Okay, carefully mark the letters. This is the point. First to mark the letter A. This is the A. This point is A. Where it is intersection, this is the A. Okay. Then this is the B. Now this is the point B. Okay. B. The next C. This is the point C. This is the C. Next D. This is the point D. Okay. This is the E. Okay, this is the E. Okay. The next, this is the apex point, center O. This is the apex. Okay. To join these lines. Okay. Just to assume to see top side to see, that is a base full and full visible, that is a ABCD is full and full visible. So to join the ABCD line, full and full dot lines. Okay. Then next, A and apex is a visible. This is the one lateral length. This line is a visible. Next, B O dash and E O dash only visible. CD only as a invisible. Okay. To join this. Okay. First to join a base full and full visible. Base is a full and full visible. So you join dark lines. That is a dark lines. Okay. To see, assume to see from top side. So base only full visible, and A dash O dash is a visible, B dash O dash is a visible, E dash O dash is a visible. Okay. First A O is a visible. AO is a visible to draw a dark line. The next BO is also visible. The next EO also visible. Okay, that's the remaining portion. Bottom of the center line, that is about below the center line, CD. That's a CO dash and DO dash is a invisible. Okay, CO is a invisible. So this is the invisible line. That is a dotted lines. Okay. The next D and O also invisible. Dn also invisible. Okay. Now fourth stage is completed. Now fourth stage completed. Okay. Just to assume top side there is a base is a full and full visible, A, B, C, D is a visible. So to join the lines A, B, C, D dot lines. The next two lateral lengths, okay, A and O dash is visible, B, O dash visible, E, O dash only visible. So B, O dash, A, O, E, O only visible lines. Okay, B, O, A, O, E, O only visibles. In this, below the bottom of the center line, C, O, D, O is invisible. Okay, C, O, D, O invisible. Okay, this is the procedure for freely suspended. Okay, you will remember it. Freely suspended formula is HP4 for pyramid only. HP4 for pyramid, HP2 for prism. Okay, now in this problem pyramid, so you will use H/4, 90/4, you will get 22.5 mm. Okay. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.